The Industrial Revolution era marked a turning point in human history. For thousands of years, life had followed the same rhythm. But in the late 18th century, the world began to change faster than ever before. Before factories and engines, most people lived in small rural communities. Families worked the land, growing food and making tools by hand. Life was slow, predictable, and deeply connected to nature. Clothes, tools, and household goods were crafted at home or in tiny workshops. Skilled artisans spent days or weeks creating a single product. Production was limited, and goods were expensive. Everything changed with the discovery of new power sources. Water wheels and steam engines replaced muscle power. For the first time, machines could work faster and longer than humans. Machines were brought together under one roof. Factories were born, and production increased dramatically. The textile industry led the way, turning raw cotton into cloth at record speed. Factories needed workers, and cities began to grow. People left farms and villages, hoping for steady wages. Small towns transformed into crowded industrial centers almost overnight. Urban life was difficult. Housing was cramped, streets were polluted, and clean water was scarce, yet cities became the heart of industry and opportunity. Factory work was harsh and exhausting. Men, women, and children worked long hours for little pay. Dangerous machines and poor conditions made daily life a struggle. Transportation revolutionized the era. Steam trains crossed continents, and ships connected distant lands. Trade expanded, and the world felt smaller than ever before. As conditions worsened, people demanded reform. New laws slowly improved safety, reduced child labor, and limited working hours. Education spread, preparing future generations for industrial life. By the late 19th century, society had been reshaped. Industry-powered economies, cities dominated landscapes, and innovation never stopped. The Industrial Revolution era was not perfect. It brought hardship, but also progress. Its legacy lives on in modern technology, industry, and the world we know today.